I want to take 1 second to show equivalent formulas and ratios because this is another area where people get a little turned around. So if we have a ratio of dogs to cats is 3 to 5, so like 3x to 5x. I want to define this ratio as having an equal sign in the middle. Now, in this situation, we actually have to reverse the multipliers of the ratio. If we represent the number of dogs as D and the number of cats as C, 3C would be equal to 5D. And this can be a little bit confusing, but I'll show why this actually works out. So let's pretend there actually were 3 dogs and 5 cats, which is obviously a 3 to 5 ratio. If we put the number of dogs in for dogs and the number of cats in for cats, we'll find that both sides are equal to each other at 15. So to set the number of dogs equal to the number of cats, I multiply the number of dogs by the multiplier as a component of the ratio and multiply the multiply the cats by the dogs multiplier in the ratio. So they get flip-flopped when we put an equal sign in between. Now obviously this can be confusing for people, so I like to outline it, but when you think of it, if you look at the ratio with the multipliers as we have them, in order to set 3x equal to 5x, I would have to multiply the 5x by 3 and the 3x by 5 so that they both become 15x. And that's why we multiply dogs by 5 and cats by 3 if we're putting them equivalent to each other with an equal sign. So sometimes in data sufficiency, they'll give you like statement 1, the number of dogs is 3 times the number of cats. Dogs is equal to 3 times cats. What's the ratio of dogs to cats? Well, the ratio of dogs to cats, if I had 1 cat, I would have 3 dogs because dogs are equal to 3 times 1. So the ratio is 1 for cats and 3 for dogs. So it's a 3 to 1 ratio, which we would think of as 3x to 1x. So they could give you something like this as a statement and then ask you if you can solve the total number of dogs or something like that, or if you can solve what the ratio of dogs to cats is, and this is how you would convert that equivalent formula into a ratio.